What's going on, YouTube? Markel here, back with another video and back using the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So this is what it would be like for me, as you guys can see, using it in a blogging situation. I am in ultra wide, by the way, and I am using the DJI Mics 2 that's connected to the camera via Bluetooth. Now, I recently went up on the roof just to walk around using the little chest mount, with the camera being on the chest mount, and just walked around, and this is without the microphone. I'm not using the microphone outside, so check out the sound quality. And I did use one of DJI's LUT to color grade the footage. Check it out. Okay, let's see. So this would be vlogging in POV using the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. No external mic, a little bit of a wind. So typically come up here and go in the pool area. How's stabilization? How's the mic without the DJI Mic 2? Not a bad looking day today. I'm using the chest mount to film this right now. I'm trying to decide if I actually want to go out and do something today, or if I'm just gonna chill at home. It's just 10 a.m. You know what? I'll probably end up chilling at the house today. Don't really have anything planned this week. I do know I want to go to a couple places I haven't been in a while. Carmen de Borel and San Jeronimo, and actually Santa Fe, Antioquia. I haven't been there in a while, but it definitely warmed up today. It's supposed to be about 78 degrees, and then at around 3 o'clock today it's supposed to storm like mad. Typically the way it's been going. All right, so I'm gonna take this off the chest mount and hold it in hand, walk around a little bit and see how that is. Man, they got the pool looking good today. I'm not getting in it, that's for sure. So how stabilization, walking with this thing, it should be great. I think I have it on rock steady. Buenas, ¿cómo estás? Okay, so that's outside, guys. I really have no complaints with it. You know, in comparisons to my Insta360 Go 2, this is a pretty good camera, but I got to use it a little bit more to see how I really feel about it. You know, as far as cameras in my bag right now, I have some of the latest cameras, this completing the circle, updating all my cameras except one, my POV camera, which is still the DJI Osmo Action 2. Until it dies, I'm not going to replace that. If I do end up replacing it, it'll probably be something like the Insta360 Go 3S, which is probably the only smaller camera that I can do what I've been doing, which is POV. I don't want to take bigger cameras like this into the mall and areas. I love those little small cameras on the chest, and most people pay them no attention, but some people do see it, you know, but it's a lot smaller than this camera. I do like the size and weight of this new action camera. I got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and so far so good. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Just a short, quick video showing you guys the video quality using a false light source here, temporary light, and going outside during the day up on the roof using one of the DJI's LUTs to color grade the footage. This footage I'm not going to touch. This is straight out of camera. I have it in Vivid, 4K 30 frames per second up on the roof, 4K 30 frames per second. All right, guys, that's it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And Until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.